Hello guys, it's almost 2025 is almost done, and my greatest achievement this year was when I go back to Philippines, have vacation last March I think, and my second achievement was when I have finished my surgery regarding my kidney stone. And the last achievement is when I got nominated and my future what's it called?
PR.
No,
2006.
next year.
Goal.
Yeah,
Goal.
future goals next year was to hopefully in God's will I will be get my PR together with my family,
Wow.
and after that I will go into Philippines again and take
Which-
them here
which the-
from Philippines to here, and probably we're going to South Korea for vacation
Wow.
together with my family, of course.
Ano mo siya?
And that's all for 2026.
Wow. Sana all.